And today I made this.
Hello everyone in Cyber World, welcome back to another video. I'm Richard, also known as Poor Man.
And I'm Jennifer, also known as Mrs. Poorman. And today's project is very special to me. Richard and I went to a place to pick up some Koa wood. And while Richard was looking at Koa wood, I found a piece about this big that was a beautiful piece of wood. But I decided not to purchase it at the time because he was picking out some other Koa wood. So I laid it aside. And while we were picking out the Koa wood, the person that we purchased the wood from said that I could have this piece for free. So I was really pleased with it. So I brought it home and we started sanding it, and all the details will be in the video, of course, but I made a beautiful clock out of it.
Before we go there, if you enjoy our video, please like, comment, or subscribe.
And with that,
cue music.
Because the wood had straight cuts on both ends, Mrs. Poorman decided to create fake live edges and drew random patterns. She then cut the edges with a jigsaw. Then, grinded the edges for a more natural look.
I then sanded the wood from 80 up to 400 grit sandpaper. Next came the part I had the most fun with, applying the epoxy. I had to listen to some 80s music, I got the groove on, stirred away, then applied the epoxy to the wood.
Now to install the clock parts. Mrs. Poorman added frog tape to protect the epoxy and wood. Then marked where the clock would be placed.
I determined where the center of the clock would be located and marked it. Now came time to drill a hole. Once that was completed, I removed the frog tape and I am ready for assembly.
She actually glued the clock to the back of the wood to ensure it would not move, and then attached the hour and minute hands. The last part to install was the second hand.
Now to give the clock a personal touch, we used our newly purchased Cricut cutting device to create a vinyl image of our logo. This involved loading the vinyl, cutting it, peeling off the excess image, and sticking it to a clear transfer paper. Once this was finished, I added the image to the clock.
And since we're in Hawaii, she just had to include a hibiscus flower. And there you have it, Jennifer's one-of-a-kind Koa Wood Desk Clock. I am so proud of what she did, and I think it's beautiful.
Well, we hope you enjoyed the video. As I had mentioned, the video itself, Jennifer did an outstanding job. The clock came out fantastic. We couldn't be more pleased about it. So for next week, we're going to go back to one of our workshops that we did in Japan. It's referred to as hanko making. Hankos are stamps that are used in place of signatures even today. Similar to what they used in Europe back in the old days when they would send a letter and they would use hot wax and they'd put their family stamp on or something that you know who it's from. We actually made one of those. Actually, we each made one of those, and so we'll show you how we did that next week. So until then, bye-bye.